This is Mervily Myers. Miss Lou's one daughter. As I read some documents pertaining to today's so-called case at the county court at Clerkenwell and Shoreditch. Injunction order between Housing for Women and Mervily Myers. To Mervily Myers of flat 16 Alma Grove, London SE1 5PY. In the county court sitting at Clerkenwell and Shoreditch Hearing Centre, claim number KO2CL827, claimant Housing for Women, defendant Mervily Myers, claim reference NZM/HOU 16258, issued 1st August 2023. If the county court, there's a stamp. If you, Mervily Myers, do not obey this order, you may be held in contempt of court and imprisoned or fined, or your assets may be seized. On Tuesday, the 1st of August 2023, the court considered an application for an injunction, and the court was satisfied that on the balance of probabilities, the respondent has engaged or threatens to engage in antisocial behavior, and the court considered it just and convenient to grant the injunction for the purpose of preventing the respondent from engaging in antisocial behavior. The court ordered that Mervily Myers is forbidden, whether by herself or by instructing or encouraging or permitting any other person, from 1. Causing nuisance, annoyance, or distress to any person, or allowing any other visitors or occupant of flat 16 Alma Grove, London SE1 5PY, in bracket the property, to cause a nuisance, annoyance, or distress to any person of the following people: any person with a right of whatever description to reside at Alma Grove, London SE1 5PY, Alma Grove, or any lawful visitor to Alma Grove, and any member of the claimant, staff, agent, or contractors, any member, employee, consultant, or agent of Devonshire Solicitors LLP, 30 Finsbury Circus, London EC 2M7DT. D. Any person engaging in lawful activity in or around the locality of the property. 2. Using or threatening to use violence, or allowing any visitor or occupant of the property to use or threaten to use violence towards any person in categories 1 bracket A to D. 3. Intimidating or acting in an intimidatory manner, or allowing any visitor or occupant of the property to intimidate or act in an intimidating manner towards any person in any of the categories set out in paragraph 1A to D. 4. Harassing or attempt to harass, or allowing any visitor or occupant of the property to harass or attempting to harass, be it physically or verbally, towards any person in any of the categories set out in paragraph 1A to D. 5. Naming and making any reference whatsoever to any visitor or occupant of the property to harass or attempt to harass, be it physical or verbally, towards any person in any of the categories set out in paragraph 1 to A to D. Naming and making any reference whatsoever to any of the people referred to at paragraph 1A to D. on any social media or electronic network or platform or other, including but not limited to WordPress, TikTok, YouTube, and further order that the said Mervyn Myers must forthwith, upon service of this order, remove all videos or uploaded content from all social media, electronic networks or platforms or other, including those referred to at paragraph 5 above, whereby the individuals referred to at paragraph 1A to D, the landlord and the firm have okay. I'm just reading people, so I don't know. To bring any such further claims against the defendant without the permission of the court. I'm going to read this and then I read that. Injunction order, record of hearing. Oh, I think this is what I should be reading. 6. 7. Remove all posters from the communal area of Alma Grove and from the windows of the property. Paragraphs 1 to 7 of this order will remain in force until 12 noon on the 1st August 2024. Unless before then this order is varied or revoked by a further order of the court. It is further ordered that the costs of the application are reserved. Any party may apply on giving at least 48 hours notice in writing to the other party to vary or disturb this order. Reference social media for the evidence. This is what I've just read. And I'm going to read this now because this is very important. Injunction order, record of hearing. Claim number KO2CL827. On Tuesday, the first day of August, before District Judge Stellini, the court was sitting at Clerkenwell and Shoreditch County Court, G Street, Courthouse 29 to 41 G Street, London EC1V 3RE. The claimant was represented by counsel. The defendant did not appear, having been given notice of the hearing, The court read the written evidence of the claimant's witness, Trina Filbert, signed on the 21st July 2023. The court heard spoken evidence on oath from not applicable. The claimant gave an undertaking through his solicitor, promised to pay any damages ordered by the court if it later decides that the defendant has suffered loss or damage as a result of this order. Delete the paragraph if the court, whatever. So you see there, signed District Judge Stellini, 1st of August. District Judge Stellini will be jailed for striking out Winsome Duncan claim with Rand and Zimmel. And I'm leaving this here, right? So I need to put back these in order. I'm going to leave this here so you see. Yeah? I'm in my cubby hole. Yeah? I find things to do. I'm a creator. Right? So this is Mervyn Myers. Mama lose one daughter. Hibernating in New Cross. Over and out.